Hey everyone, my name is Maximilian and I'm into web development since I'm 13. I'm currently working as a professional freelance web developer and I really enjoy that. As I studied business administration, I had a successful time in a bank and a major consultancy before I made the switch to this path. However, I really have to say, web development or programming in general has always been my great passion. And as I said, I'm learning that, or I'm into that since I'm 13 and I'm completely self-taught. And the very great advantage being a self-taught web developer is that you have always all the freedom to try out things, to learn the things you want and you find the most necessary, to not be bound by any guidance on what to learn, but that you're free to choose. The downside, however, obviously is that you will have to find all the resources yourself, that there are points on your road where you get stuck and where you have difficulties continuing or finding a good resource explaining you a certain topic or a certain language, for example. And now that is why I decided that I'd really like to make such a course as this one here, because I know a lot of the difficulties you have when learning web development yourself. And I know that there are points which are often overlooked that are essential when trying to teach someone else something, because I've been through that path. And as it has turned to complete success in my life, I'm sure we can do the very same for everyone's life. And this is what I will try to achieve with this course, giving you the opportunity of taking the next step in your web development career or your web development, so to say, and really get more confident and get more tools you'll need to progress and to, if you want that, make the step into the professional life or maybe in a freelance career. Now on Udemy there are a lot of courses out there about web development, about programming in general, and there are a lot of great courses, no doubt about that. But most of them, they stop after the basics. Well, they explain you how to write a basic PHP file, but that isn't going to get you anywhere nowadays. We're not living in 2005 anymore. Nowadays web applications have to be feature-rich, very secure, scalable, and much more. And that is something you won't be able to achieve on your own. Sorry, no chance. You don't have enough time and you don't have enough knowledge. And the industry default is so far ahead of you. You need to take all the help and the tools you got out there. Focus on the business logic, focus on the user experience. And when we're talking about PHP, use major frameworks. That is what you gotta do. Knowing the basics is important, but you don't have to stay there. Take it up one level. And this is while I'll be teaching you Laravel, which is one of the most modern and feature-rich PHP frameworks out there. And Laravel will enable you to not even write your applications more secure, more scalable, but even faster. It's fun. It offers you a lot of great tools that really make fun. So I'm so excited to dive into this course with you and to see what all of you guys build and how you develop throughout this course. So let's get going.